connect the dots. Now, see what in talk. I want to let our people in Lagos to know that on Wednesday, I called a meeting of Ohanaeze Council of Elders worldwide, and we x-rayed the events in Lagos. And I want to tell you that we have, now, anywhere when I take pause, glitch happen for the broadcast. Glitch means, say, the person mouth move, but you know go hear waiting in talk. That time when the mouth move.
Okay.
So anytime when I pause, maybe people just know say that this thing happen. Me, I take them again, as I don't explain this one. I want to let our people in Lagos to know that on Wednesday, I called a meeting of Ohanaeze Council of Elders worldwide, and we x-rayed the events in Lagos, and I want to tell you that we have people who attended the branches in America, in Canada, in Europe, in London and Nigeria. We have resolved, and I want those in Lagos to go home and tell those in Lagos. We have resolved that never again can we allow anybody to take the life of any innocent Igbo person. All of us are going to fight the person. We are going to fight the person. Never again. We are in Nigeria, and we have invested in Nigeria. Our investment is too much. We are not going to take the question of people telling us to go. We are not going anywhere. And I want to tell those in Lagos to realize that there is no war between us and Yorubas. Yorubas are with us. They are just political rascals, and we are going to handle them. The elders have directed Secretary General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Emuche, to set up a commission of inquiry to find out things destroyed. People are going to pay.
Wait, I want you go back to that place where they cause this very talk. Go back again. From that, we are not in war with them. From there, that place, and
I want to tell those in Lagos to realize that there is no war between us and Yorubas. Yorubas are with us. Then that pause, when I pause, then we come here, they are just political rascals, and we are going to handle them. Now, the controversy now say, some people talk saying, call Yoruba people political rascals. But I don't follow people who work for that particular event, talk. And then talk say, in they refer to thugs, where unleash violence on people when come out to vote. But then I can also think, this is a simple English. If person talk say, there is no war between us and Yorubas.
Yoruba with us.
And in the same vein, the person also talk say, Yorubas are with us. How person can conclude say, the person they refer to the Yoruba people as political rascals? So sometimes it dey good, make we exercise restraint when we hear something. Some people they quick to share. It gets some people where we say, if you check their political leanings, you go know where they stand. Many of them begin to share that video. They talk, say, see what in this man talk. But anybody won't take time to connect the statement together. Person won't talk, say, no war between we and these people. And they are with us. How we go end up saying, the same people when he say we don't get war with, and they are with us, they are political rascals.
You see,
it's very, very important. Maybe people they exercise restraint and caution. Because small thing like this, the thing don't cause problem. Now why the Afenifere don't knock first? They don't knock. Before they come, they demand, say, make Ohanaeze give clarification. You don't knock before you call the talk, say, make the person clarify the statement. Now, good, some people talk, say, first. If they good, make you rise up and protect the interest first. So that they go know, say, the fact say you even to say, waiting, not be say you they fear anybody. Now, just say you want make the person know, say, you protect their interest. But more look the character of this man. Chief Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu na person will be say, from when I small, this man na person will be say, when he do business, in business, now something where we say, now across Obodo, Nigeria, because he get one popular newspaper that time, when they sell everywhere for Nigeria. In fact, their office that time, now this Lagos, 19 day. So this man in business, in life, now somebody will not benefit from, say, this our country, now united country, and he get friends across Nigeria. Why he be saying, go come talk this kind of thing? Why some people go think, say, he go talk this kind of thing. And if you watch the video, you go see, say, for every time when he talk this thing, he get applause. Because some people go look, so, okay, this is the person when they respected. And for the person to seize the initiative, to call meeting, say, we can't discuss what it affect us, the person collect applause. Now you think, say, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo go sit down for there, and somebody go come call Yoruba people when he be part of political rascals. And he go happy with that kind of talk. He no go even respond, given the nature of Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. Say no matter how the thing take do am, once the thing heavier for chest, he go release that.
He go talk.
Make we use our tongue to counter our teeth. No allow purveyors of fake news and misleading information cause problem for this country.
I like the fact as you don't help us break that in and clarify, and because as they talk and people they carry and run, they know they check the proper information.